What it's like being a buyer during an inspection period. Obviously, you're super excited about going under contract on your new home, but now's the time that you're going to be meeting with someone that you've maybe never heard of or met before, and they're going to give you a lot of information about the home. You'll probably know more about the home than the seller knows about the home. But what's really important during your inspection process is that you are in the driver's seat. You have a safety net. You have the last right to say if you want to move forward and how you want to move forward. So, as a buyer, you have three options of how you want to move forward. One is the way it is. You did your inspections. You know that it's not in a flight path that might be concerning to you, as an example, what it's backing to, what it's siding to, location works for you, and you just want to move forward. You did all your inspections. Second option you have is to cancel the contract. That's right. Unilaterally just cancel. The seller does not have to sign off on anything. You have the ability to back out of the deal and get your earnest money back. The third option, which is the most common option that buyers take, is to give the seller an opportunity to correct any issues that are really concerning. And traditionally, when we go over the inspection report with you and the inspector, we're going to look at one, two, or three buckets. All the information in those inspection reports are going to be placed in one of those buckets. This helps us organize what's important versus what's just information. An example of bucket one, which is a critical item, are things like major systems or the foundation, HVAC, right? Things that are critical about the home, that this is how the home operates. Without these working, it's a major problem or maybe not even healthy to live in that home. And then bucket two is more cosmetic defects. Every home has them, and we just want to make sure we're aware of them. And then bucket three is just information: what type of tile roof it is, where is the water shut off for the home. These are important informational items, but it's not something that's bad about the home. It's just information. And between the three buckets, that's what the entire inspection report is comprised of. So when you're going into that inspection review with the inspector, now you have a better sense of what your options are, what you're about to get into, and knowing that everything can be fixed. It's just about how we're going to negotiate them getting fixed. And again, it depends on the deal that you're in. For example, if we really beat that seller down at the beginning on getting all those concessions you wanted or a better price, they might be less excited about helping you with a lot of the repairs that might need to be done. So we'll walk you through all of that and how we help guide you to the next step. But remember, you have options and we're here alongside you every step of the way.